I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by drying and trimming the chicken so the crumbs stick properly. Combine 1 cup Progresso breadcrumbs with 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper in a shallow dish. Mix well. Set up 3 stations. Season flour, beaten egg with 1 tablespoon milk, and the breadcrumb bowl. Dredge each piece in flour first, shake off excess, then dip into the egg, and immediately press into the crumbs. This sequence locks coating adhesion and creates an even crust. Once coated, firmly press the Progresso crumbs into the chicken so they don't fall off during cooking. Use your fingers to compress the crumb layer. Make sure the oven is preheated to 425 degrees F and place the pieces on a wire rack set over a baking sheet. This allows air circulation and even browning. Lightly spray or brush a thin layer of oil on both sides. The fat promotes the Maillard reaction and helps the breadcrumb surface turn golden and crisp rather than steaming soft. You bake the crumbed chicken 18 to 22 minutes, flipping once around the halfway point. Check for an internal temperature of 165 degrees F. Once done, rest the pieces for about 5 minutes so juices redistribute and the crust firms up. If the crust is not as crisp as you want, don't panic. Recrisp under a hot broiler for 2 to 3 minutes or quickly sear in a hot skillet with a teaspoon of oil. This revives crunch without overcooking the meat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.